Top real estate Jamaican lawyer charged for several fraud-related offences.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The attorney at law, who was arrested on Friday, May 11 by detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, C-TOC, in connection with a fraud investigation, has been charged. Police report that the woman, identified as Jennifer Messado, was charged with forgery, uttering false document, conspiracy to defraud, and money laundering. Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, who heads C-TOC, confirmed that Messado was taken into custody in relation to an investigation of the fraudulent attempt at the sale of a property on Waterloo Road in St. Andrew. According to investigators, on December 20th, 2017, the accused prepared an agreement of sales for 2 parcels of land without the knowledge and consent of the owner. It is alleged that Messado forged the signature of the trustee, stamp and letterhead of the owner of the properties to facilitate the fictitious transaction and collected $270,000 as down payment from the prospective purchaser. These properties were put to sale for 232 million Jamaican dollars or 1.8 million US dollars. This video clip was recorded in front of the property relative to the ongoing police investigation.
And I let this so-called new owner in to do a survey 2 weeks ago. Jerome, they won't leave. Garland was on the phone and this. Stop pushing me! Stop pushing her. Jerome, calm down. Their attorneys are here. Garland was on the phone talking to them, and this woman Messado or something is calling me a wretch. She's calling me a wretch. She's pushing through the gate at me. Okay? Yeah, I know she's a criminal. Yes. What do I do? Garland, the police haven't come here. The bailiff was on the phone with Garland. He's telling them there's court today at 10. This guy's saying, but I have an order. He said that's been set aside. There's legal documents. And this woman is saying, no, it's not.
Not set aside. There's a warrant of possession.
Garth is standing across the street smiling. All of his attorneys are here, not as a man.
Messado is suspended at least the next few days behind bars, as the police revealed on Sunday morning that she will be in custody until Tuesday, when she's scheduled to make her first court appearance on the fraud-related charges that have been laid against her. Messado, who was arrested in the Constant Spring area of St. Andrew, has been charged with 4 counts of forgery, 2 counts of uttering forged documents, conspiracy to defraud, causing money to be paid out by forged documents, and money laundering. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.